My name is Joey Shaver. I am the owner of Data Manufacturing in Inverness, Florida. I do a lot of work in the firearms and hydraulics, pneumatics industries. The machines are perfect fit for those industries because flexibility of the machine between the operations, getting the part out of the machine, the parts catchers, the remnant buckets, everything is suited to do parts one and done, so that the part comes off the machine, you clean it, you inspect it, and you ship it. I started in a machine shop here in Florida. After about 5 years of working there, Eurotech had an opening in their Swiss application department. So I joined Eurotech as a Swiss application engineer, but my ultimate dream was still to start a shop. And after being with Eurotech for about 6.5 years, Charlie King, a business owner, machine shop in New Hampshire, gave me that opportunity. And in 2021, we started a machine shop here in Florida. My first two machines are Eurotech B620s. The flexibility that it gives me to run parts in the firearms, pneumatics, and hydraulics industries is just perfect. Being able to complete a part in one operation with many milled features and to get it out of the machine with the parts catcher where there's no damage to the part it's just a perfect setup. Being a small business and being able to have unattended runtime while you're not at the shop is a huge must. Being able to generate income without having to be at the shop is the only reason that I'm really probably in business. A lot of times I will work on other projects while the machine is still running parts. A lot of the people don't realize that the technology is there, you just need to learn it and put it to good use. If you utilize all the technology that's on the machines, it will push you so much farther than you can go otherwise.